बट मैं जस्ट इन 2-3 पेजेस में लिख के लाई हूँ बिकॉज नाम आया जस्ट चैटर्जी फैमिली तो मतलब बहुत कुछ आ जाता है लाइक दिन साल लेके जाएंगे लेकिन खत्म ही नहीं होगा उनके बारे में इतने किस्से इतने मेमोरीज हमने बनाई हैं तो मैंने इसका नाम दिया था द सोल ऑफ OFV द चैटर्जीज सो द सोल ऑफ OFV ऑर्डिनेंस फैक्ट्री वरंगाव द चैटर्जीज तो मैं शायरी के साथ स्टार्ट करूंगी कुछ लोग मिलते हैं बस कुछ पल के लिए पर छोड़ जाते हैं यादें जिंदगी भर के लिए वो मुस्कान वो दिल वो पल सुहाने आज भी महकते हैं वो दिन पुराने यादें तो हम सबके पास होती हैं मगर कुछ यादें खास होती हैं आज की शाम उन खास यादों के नाम जो हमें मुस्कान और प्यार देती है गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन सॉरी यू आर इन कोलकाता सो शुभ सन्ध्या সকলকে सो आज की सन्ध्याটা खूब स्पेशल first I would like to introduce myself I am Soumya Amol Patil from Ordnance Factory Warangaon सबसे पहले तो I want to say what a beautiful evening today we are not just here for a wedding celebration but to relive an entire era a golden chapter of Ordnance Factory Warangaon when we say Chatterjee family एक ही बात याद आती है smile warmth and togetherness the time when Chatterjee sir was our GM it was not just about meetings, files and workload, but it was also about family fun and endless laughter. Who can forget that late night parties, the anniversary celebration and that anniversary celebration? It was like anniversary celebration का मैं शादी वाला माहौल थी. New Year parties, picnics, oh my goodness, those were legendary. And of course, full of music, masti and memories. Remember those parties, the dance, the food, the laughter till night, and of course, Sir's iconic line. Every time music started, Sir used to say, "Bas, bas, bas, अभी तो party शुरू हुई है." Everyone used to laugh because 12 AM तक Sir की party just started होती थी. And second was my favorite because कभी भी कुछ party organize करनी है, कुछ picnic organize करनी है, Sir इसलिए अरे अमोल, अरे प्रदीप next month कुछ देखो, कुछ हटके करेंगे, कुछ ये करेंगे. मेरा favorite part था, मतलब कितने excitement थी next month हमारा क्या और memories बनाने को मिलेंगी. So evening at OFV were magical. Sometimes we would have a festive celebration, sometimes just a random get together that turned into a full on dance night. म्यूजिक बजता था, सब डांस फ्लोर पे होते थे और तब हम सबकी फेवरेट आती थी शमोयता दी एंड संजना दी. और उसी दौरान बहुत लेजेंडरी नाइट्स ऑर्गेनाइज हुई है यूज नाइट एंड हस्बैंड नाइट. रिमेंबर यूज नाइट शमोयता दीदी हैड प्लान्ड अ सरप्राइज एक्ट एकदम ब्लॉकबस्टर परफॉर्मेंस. हर एनर्जी मेड एवरीवन जॉइन इन इवन हु दोस सेज कि मैं नहीं नाचता यार मुझे डांस नहीं आता. डांसिंग लाइक अ बॉलीवुड हीरोज दैट काइंड. She crafted some well-known heroes like Mithun Da, Salman Khan, Govinda, Anil Kapoor, and so on. All the wives and we are surprised that हमारे पापा and uncle turned Bollywood heroes that night. Sir played role of Mithun Da, Sanjana Di played role of Ravina Tandon, and so on. At husband night, Chatterjee ma'am played unbelievable role of Amitabh Bachchan and Shamoyita Di as Helen. Sanjana Didi, the sweetheart of the group. Always smiling and always spreading love. Chatterjee ma'am, the queen of every gathering, the lady who smiled light up every event. And of course, Chatterjee sir, the most energetic, the most coolest GM ever. The one who made official feel like a family. And now, the shining star of tonight, our beautiful bride, Shamoyita Didi. You know what, you are not only a dancer, a choreographer or an actor, you are a complete wife. आपको स्टेज पे देख के हमेशा लगता था वाह यही तो है रियल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ जॉय. सो एज टुडे एज यू स्टेप इनटू अ न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ लाइफ आई एम सेंडिंग यू ऑल माय गुड एंड पॉजिटिव वाइब्स टू यू. वी नेवर विल रियलाइज व्हेन दोस ईयर्स जस्ट फ्लू बाय. दोस 45 years felt like a movie full of songs, surprises and stories you will never forget. Because जब दिल के लोग पास होता है ना टाइम ऑटोमेटिकली फास्ट फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है. Then came that one announcement. What was not supposed to be happen, but happened. The moment for which no one was waiting. I repeat, the moment for which no one was waiting. Transfer. To be honest, the word itself felt heavier than the OFV gates. It felt like someone pressed pause on our happy movie. Everyone wished Sir retires from here 6 महीने बाद ही तो, but destiny had other plans. That farewell, oof, Every heart was heavy, every eyes are full of tears, but every smile was real. Because sir and ma'am taught us something precious, that no distance can break bond made from love. And today we are here after all these years when we got that wedding invitation. It was like home calling again. Sir, ma'am, you didn't just lead a factory, you built a family. आप चले गए लेकिन आपका प्यार वहाँ रह गया. You turned ordinary nights into unforgettable memories. You made every occasion feel like Durga Puja meets Diwali. And today we celebrate your gift of love, joy and happiness that lasts forever. Today we celebrate this new beginning. We just want to say thank you. Thank you Chatterjee family for those unforgettable memories. Thank you for every laugh, every smile, every night filled with songs and stories. Life is strange now. Some people come and go, but few leave footprints so deep that even time can't erase them. You are that family. And we are that lucky bunch who got to live our best years with you. You gave us not just leadership but love, not just event but emotions, not just years but an entire era. So tonight, this dance, this celebration, this madness is not just for the wedding, it's for every moment we have shared, for every night we laughed till our cheeks hurt, for every moment that still make our hearts smile. Sir, ma'am and didis, this isn't a goodbye again, it's a reunion of heart. And tonight हम सब मिलके कहेंगे once a family, always a family. Repeat, once a family, always a family. From your OFB family, who will always say golden era था यार.